Good day and welcome to NEO LMS Tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to change the image of your lessons. So we're going to turn this into this. So how? Let's find out. So as you can see, the two tiles that we have here, it's already customized, and the other one, this is an automatic image from the LMS itself. So what we're going to do is to customize this one. Okay. So in order to do that, let's open Canva. Okay, so this is the application that I use. And then here in the search, we type 4x3. So that's the size of the image. So once we are here in the templates, so you may choose what template you would like to use. So for this case, let's try this one. So if you would like to modify it, so you may do so. Okay, so let's say I'm going to write here the title of the text or the literary selection. Yeah, so I'm deleting some of the elements that are not needed. Okay. So let's say here, and then let's change the image. Let's put, let's say, a book, for example. Okay, let's put it here. Yeah. So let's see, there's a book here. Let's customize the text. So let's put a little shadow there. Okay, and then what else can we put? Now, maybe you're wondering how to put, let's say, a photo of yourself or an image. So here I have uploaded already a picture of mine. So let's see here, we try to remove the background. Okay, so in order to do that, click Effects, and then let's choose the background remover. In order to use the background remover, you need to have a Pro account. So I would suggest that you get a Canva Pro account. So the good thing here, it automatically removes the background. There you go. So now it's quite obvious that it's edited, right? So let's say we put this here at the back. So the position, let's bring that at the back. Yeah. Okay. Let's bring that at the back. Okay, so we move the books here. Okay. Now, if you would notice, the image still has rough edges. So in order to adjust that, let's try to have the effects. And then we choose the shadow. Yeah, here. So we have here the shadows. And then we choose the shadow. Let's say drop. Okay, or we can use glow. Yeah, so that it would smoothen the edges of the image. Right. Okay, so let's try to edit this. Okay. Yeah. So this is just a simple image. Once you're done, click the download button here. Okay. So you have an option to save it as a PNG file or a JPG file. So if you would like it to be saved as an ordinary image, but if you have, let's say, animations just like what I have recently, so you may choose GIF. Now that we're done with the editing of the image, we now go to the subject again. Okay, so let's open our NEO LMS and then we click the customize icon here and then we change the picture. Now let's click to browse and then we will be directed to the downloads. So a while ago we have already downloaded the image. Okay, so this is the image. Let's select, then we open. All right, and then we click save, and presto, we now have a new image for our lesson. So these tips that I have mentioned can really help you in order to customize your lesson tiles. And this would actually add a little spice to your subjects, especially now that most students would like to see images, okay, and perhaps they would appreciate if it is a little bit customized. So might as well try and we'll see. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell for more updates. And we'll see each other again in the next NEO LMS tutorials. Bye and thank you.